How to fix the issue with quality on Netflix. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change the quality of video on Netflix. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, either you need to open the application on Netflix or simply go to its official website. Once you do, log in with your account details and then after go to your profile. Simply click on your picture and then go to account option. There, in account section, you will be able to see the playback setting. Simply click on it and now you can choose the quality. Simply check the box of higher quality and then click on save option. So that's it. That is how easily you can change the quality of videos on Netflix application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.